My name is Guilford Cantave. I'm the founder, president, and CEO of Fermitron Inc. Fermitron Inc. is an electrical engineering design firm. We design custom electronic circuits, circuit boards, and embedded systems. Our manufacturing capability includes the small production runs to mid and full production runs. Circuit boards ranging from quantities of 50 to 1,000 units. Our design services include schematic capture, printed circuit board layout, design reviews, and also embedded firmware development. We are located in Central Florida in the Research Park area next to the University of Central Florida.